let's simplify this. So the square root of 3 over 4 plus the square root of 4 over 3 divided by the square root of 6. So what's that equal to? So let's simplify each section first. So first we like to do this one first right here. All right. So the square root of 3 over 4. So there's an exponent rule that stated that if you have the square root of a divided by b, we can split it up as the square root of a divided by the square root of b. Okay, so from there we can say that the square root of 3 divided by square root of 4, which is equal to the square root of 3 divided by square root of 4, which is 2. Okay, now let's solve the second one, this one. Okay, so the square root of 4 over 3 can be written as the square root of 4 divided by the square root of 3, the square root of 4, which is 2, and then over the divided by the square root of 3. Now we can put the 2 together. Now we can put that 2 together now. Let's say the square root of 3 divided by 2 plus the square 2 divided by the square root of 3. Okay. Now we can use the butterfly method. The butterfly method is just this multiply that. So the square root of 3 times the square root of 3, and then this one right here. So plus 2 times 2 divided by, and then you multiply this 2 right here, 2 times the square root of 3. Okay, and so the square root of 3 times the square root of 3 will be the square root will be just right here. That take care of the roots, so all you have left is just 3. 2 times 2 is 4, so divided by 2 times the square root of 3. So that's 3 times 3 plus 4 is 7 over divided by 2 times the square root of 3. Okay, now we can put back right here, we can plug this into the top and then divided by the square root of 6. So we can say that 7 divided by 2 times the square root of 3 divided by the square root of 6. That just equal to 7 divided by 2 times the square root of 3. We can rewrite that as divided by the square root of 6. And then in order to divide this, we need to change the division to multiplication. So that's just equal to 7 divided by 2 times the square root of 3 times, you use a reciprocal, will be 1 over square root of 6. Okay, now from here we can just multiply the top and the top, will be equal to 7, and the bottom to the bottom. So square root of 2 times the square root of 3 times the square root of thing is just 2 times the square root. You can just multiply the square root, so I mean multiply the radicand. So 3 times 6 is 18. So 7 divided by 2 times the square root 18. So now 7 times 7 divided by 2 times the square root of 18. What is the square root of 18? Square root of 18, we can split it up as 9 times 2. So that is equals 7 divided by 2 times the square root of 9 times 2. Or we can rewrite that as 7 divided by 2 times the square root of 9 times the square root of 2. That's equal to 7. So the square root of 9 is just 3. 3 times 2 is 6 times the square root of 2. Okay, now so can you leave in this form right here? 6. So you cannot leave the square root on as a denominator. So what we need to do, we need to rationalize the denominator. So this one we multiply by the square root of 2 times the square root of 2. So 7 times 2 will be 7 times the square root of 2 would be 7 times the square root of 2. And then 6 times the square root of 2 times the square root of 2. Okay? So that's just a square root of 2 times square root of 2, which is basically the square root of 2 squared. That would take care of the roots. All you have left is 7 times the square root of 2 divided by 6 times 2, which is equal to 7 times the square root of 2 divided by 12. So that's your answer. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.